Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Rushcode. I started learning about game development using the Unreal Engine, so this video is documenting day 1 of my journey using some really good tutorials by a lady named Katie, which I will link in the description below. So if you guys want to learn how to use this engine, don't watch my video, go and watch her videos. You can watch my video just to see how long it might take for you guys to do it. It took me about half an hour to do all of this, but I'm just compressing it into under 10 minutes for you guys. So I went with a first-person shooter template, and I didn't really change the project settings since I wanted to have some starter content, and since I didn't really know anything about what I was doing. This is literally the first time I'm learning how to use this engine, and just a game engine in general. So once you create the project, it opens up to this world of things that seems overwhelming at first, and even for me it was, but I just went through it step by step, right? So from the left side of the window, you can see that there's a whole bunch of actors, and these are supposed to be objects that you can drag into the world. So you can drag in things like basic shapes and lights. And then I went to the top panel where I learned how to save my project and play the game as well. The nice thing about this one is that they've already set it up for you so that it's sort of playable at the start to give you a feel for how things work in the world. And I had a lot of fun with that. You can actually shoot stuff and move things around and just move around the world and jump even. After that, I learned about the panel on the top right corner of the screen where I can see all the objects that are already placed in the world right now. So you can say these are actually real objects, not just theoretical ideas. And when you click on any of them and press F, you can focus in on them. And I learned how to also move around, like pan around and just turn or fly around the screen as well. Moving on from there, I learned about the bottom half of the screen where you can see all your content. Now, I haven't checked this yet for myself, but from what I can tell, it looks like the folder structure that you would have on your actual computer for inside this project folder. So it's just a bunch of folders containing a bunch of things like materials, textures, maybe even game logic. I don't know, like I'm guessing everything is just in these folders, and it's just a very organized way to go about finding stuff. I can even type in something if I want to search up like first-person projectile, and it'll just search through all the content folders to find that. So I didn't learn about the details panel, which is on the bottom right. I figured I'd probably learn that in the next tutorial or something. So the final thing I did was learn how to package this project into a playable game. So I was pretty excited about this step, and it was surprisingly easy to do as well. The only trouble is my OBS software could not handle the screen recording while the project was compiling, so I had to stop the recording and just let it compile throughout that bit. It seems to be that when you compile shaders, which I think is to do with lighting, it just eats up your graphics processing power. So once that was complete, I navigated to the folder that I saved it in and double-clicked on the project, and voila, I was in the game, which was pretty amazing. It was like a full-screen experience, and it felt the same as what it was when I clicked the play button before. So, you know, I can move around the world, shoot stuff, jump around, push things over. And I haven't tested this yet, but apparently you can take this folder and just pass it on to a friend and they should be able to play it as well. So I want to try that in a future video. I might throw in a Let's Play video on Raft here and there, but yeah, I'm putting a big focus on this right now. So comment down below to let me know what you guys think about this video. Like I said before, it's just a quick run through of what it's like to be learning this as an absolute beginner on day 1. This is not a tutorial. If you want to really learn how to do it just like I did here, in say 30 to 60 minutes, then I've linked it in the description. You can find the tutorials there. But if you like this video, guys, then please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so that you can get notified for when the next video comes out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!